हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ इंडिया के टॉप आईटी जॉब्स के बारे में। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ एकमाई से। तो एकमाई बेसिकली सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल के लिए हायरिंग कर रहा है। ठीक है, इसका बेसिक जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन आप देख सकते हैं। ओके, यदि आप इसमें फिट होते हैं तो आप अप्लाई नाउ पे क्लिक करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। मैंने सारे इंपॉर्टेंट लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दी है, वहाँ जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, फिर आते हैं नेक्स्ट पे जो कि है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल, जो कि क्लीन क्ले इज हायरिंग फॉर द कोची केरला लोकेशन। ओके, this is the basic job description. You can see over here what will be the responsibilities and what are the qualifications they are looking in the candidates. Okay, if you fit in that, just click on the apply now button for applying this opportunity. Then coming to the next one, which is the Chris is hiring for the Java developer. Okay, job location will be the Bangalore to Karnataka. These are the basic detail you can see over here. Okay, if you are fit in that, just click for the apply for the job button for applying this opportunity. Then coming to the next one, which is the technical support engineer. Okay, which is Java Corporation is hiring. Joho Corporation is hiring for the full-time role. Okay, job location will be the Pan India, and these are the basic requirement they are looking in the candidates. You can see over here. Okay, if you are interested for applying this opportunity, just click I am interested button. Then coming to the next one, which is NIQ, basically hiring for the research analysts LPO. Job location will be the IT Park, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, this is the basic job description they are provided to you. Okay, what will be the requirement and what are the skill set they are looking in the candidates. Okay, if you are interested in that, just click on the apply now button. Then coming to the next one, which is the associate AI/ML software engineer role. Categories is hiring for this. Job location will be the Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This is the full-time role. You can see over here. These are the basic skill set they are looking in the candidates. Then coming to the next one, which is this junior QA engineer. Okay, there is the experience required for 1 to 2 years of experience. Job location will be the Bangalore to Karnataka. Okay, if you are interested in that, just click on the apply now button over here. Then coming to the next one, which is the Eurofins is hiring for the training analysts. Job location will be the Gurgaon, Haryana. This type will be the part-time role. Okay, this is the basic JD they are looking at the candidates. If you are fit in that, just click on the I am interested button for applying this opportunity. Then we are coming to the next one, which is the site reliability engineer entry level position. If you are interested for applying this opportunity, just click apply now button over here. This will be the full-time role. Okay, okay, coming to the next one, which is the Comcast is hiring for the lot of developer engineers. You can see like developer engineer 4, 3, 2, all this they are hiring for the Chennai Tamil Nadu location over here. Then coming to the next one, which is this transportation representative at the Amazon. Okay, if you are interested, just click for the apply over here. Then coming to the next one, which is SCL hiring for the intern. Job location will be the Bangalore to Karnataka. Then coming to the next one, which is the Tata Motors is hiring for the graduate apprentice training. Okay, if you are interested in that, just click apply now over here. Okay, then coming next one, which is the NLP machine learning interns. Okay, Wisdom AI is hiring for that. Job location will be the Bangalore, Karnataka. This will be the full-time role. You can see the what are the job responsibilities and what will be the qualifications. If you are fit in there, just click on the apply for the job opportunity button for applying in this opportunity. Okay, if you find this video helpful for your career growth, like button, also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you so much for watching till now.